Well, I'm going to welcome you back to Crazy Bill's Garage. And it's time we work on that blue controller. I'm going to try to change a thumbstick. Ooh, this could be a challenge. I got new thumbsticks here. And I'm going to try to change thumbstick on this PS5 controller. Now, these ones are pretty identical to those ones, so I just got to change one. I just got to change this one here. It's the right thumbstick, technically speaking, since everything is turned over this way. So it's the right thumbstick. And yes, I got to change that. So I got to get this one off. So I got the machine heating. It's not heating up yet because I'm not holding it. And I'm going to turn the wind power down on it. And we're going to get that heated up. And we're going to see how well I can do this. I'm hoping this goes well. But as you see, I also got two wires here for the rumble feature. Ooh, that's going to get in the way. I think I can take care of that too. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping I can. Now, I've got some, I am going to put down some, is this, what? Oh, this is the wrong stuff. This is the wrong solder. I don't want to use this stuff. I need different stuff. Well, here's something that isn't going to make me too happy, but I'm going to have to finish this job on another day because I did not bring my solder paste. Dang. Oh well. Let's try to get that off anyways. I'm going to let her warm up. It's going to take a while to warm up, so I'll let you know when it is ready. So I got her warm enough to get the two wires that connect to the rumble feature off. We're just going to try to get these here ready to heat up, and hopefully this will just pop off. But who knows if it will. And by the way, I got my machine here set to 420. As you know, I was figuring 420 was good after my tests I've done with this thing. And it works pretty quick when it heats up. I don't want to leave it in one spot too long. Kind of just move it around here. Like I said, I don't have my solder in. I would love to put the new one in with solder. It's the thing of getting the board heated up so the solder melts. It's heating up. It's heating up. That one's heated up, that one is. That's the trick, right? And keeping them heated so you don't peel up the pads. You don't want to peel up pads. She's hot. Oh, let's see. I need a pressure in here. I wish I had more light here, but I don't. So I have decided to use some sort of a holding apparatus here for it now. I think this is actually just a, well, a holder for a soldering iron. And this fit in there, so I'm using it. Because I wanted it up off the ground to be able to get this done. So I'm just going around slowly, always moving pretty well. Hopefully this will work. If not, I'll think of something else. Honestly, don't know if anything here is getting loose. Feels like it. Feels like it. And hopefully I don't melt anything. But you never know, do you? She's warm. I can see that some of these have liquefied. She's hot. Come on. You should come sooner or later, shouldn't you? Jeepers. Come on. Who knows? Okay. It's been a few weeks. I know. I was trying to get that done. That just didn't want to work out. I needed to get some solder. I got some solder. Got liquid solder. I'll see how good it works. I got some normal solder too. I got a little apparatus here to hold the board in place. I got my, she's all set up, ready to go. We'll see how good this works. I'm kind of hoping it works good. I don't know. But, yes, this, come on. There we go. I'm going to set that up like that. Lighting situation here isn't the best. I wish it was better, because I got to see what I'm doing. I do have a little magnifying glass on here. Cool, huh? So, I can't move that around. I can move it around to where I need it, but I don't think I'll need it for this one, Partel. This one's a little loose, so I'm going to switch to the other one. That one's a little loose. This one will probably work better for me. So we are doing this one again. So let me get her heated up and we'll see where we go from there. So I have put some solder on it this time so we can see, hopefully, that, I'm hoping. Let's just get to it. This is early in the morning. Way too early for me to be doing this kind of stuff. So let's see if I can burn my house down. I'm hoping not. I have the hot air soldering gun set to boil or nuclear. Nope. Activate sun. So yes, it's, wow, she's already getting warm. That's good. I'm going to try to keep it away from this plastic connector here, because last time I kind of burnt it a little. So who knows if it's going to work again. Try to get this in there. We'll see if I'm going to get this right or get it wrong. I need light. Oh my word. I can't see a thing here. So, don't aim that at the wall. There we go. We've got lights. Lights, camera, action. Let's give her again here. Let's see how well we'll do. Now she's solidifying the solder balls. Which is good. Melting the bottom of that pick. It had a plastic end on it. That was awesome. So many. I gotta get off here. Ooh, she's getting hot on the handle. What the heck? She's hot. Here's my metal pick here. That isn't solidifying. Nope, not yet. I know, this probably isn't exciting. I'll add music, don't worry. This is, you gotta get it all the way, heated all the way through. Pretty sure I did. More heat. Pretty sure she's ready to come. Jiggling. one doesn't even come off. There we go. All right, so that did work out. That's good. Now, what am I gonna do? I gotta clean up the surfaces, don't I? Okay, I've already touched up these new ones. Put a little bit of solder on each tip, just, I guess, because. I don't think I had to, but I also put some solder paste on them. So I'm going to heat that up again, and hopefully that will go into that spot. Oh, I sure hope it will, but we'll see what happens, right? Cue the music. So how am I going to fix this problem of getting this on? Well, what I did do, I did try to use the air blower, hot air machine for that. That wasn't working so well. So, I decided to just use soldering iron and put some, I have this beautiful liquid flux here that I was using. It worked fine. And to get all the holes clean, I used some of this solder wick to suck up all the solder. Worked pretty good, actually. I was quite shocked on how well it worked. And now I am just soldering on the rest of the tabs here. So I'm going to do that on camera and show you how I'm doing that. So I got my soldering iron probably. Oh, yeah, I can feel her. She's pretty hot. And yeah, I gotta put some liquid flux on there. I didn't want to use a liquid flux, but it's all I could find right now. And yeah, there's some tabs in these holes here. In these holes, I'm just going to put liquid flux on those so I can, I don't need much, but this stuff comes out really way too fast. So I got that, and I got my solder. There we go. And I'm just going to tap her onto these holes here. That should work just fine. Well, at least it should work fine. There we go. And I think I'm going to need some more solder. I didn't put much on the tip here, so. There we go. Get this one here. At least I hope I'm going to. There we go, I got that one. So I just got a few more here to do. I wish I could get in closer with my eyes and do it better. But I don't have my magnifying glass here. So I got them all done. Just gonna get in here with some cleaning fluid and give them a good wipe down. I think I'm using hydrogen peroxide here. Give them all a nice scrub, get it all clean. And hopefully I did it right. So they all look pretty good. They're all in there. They're all in their own little spot. I didn't wreck it. Works good. Works as good as that one. I got some over here. That liquid stuff, I don't like it that much. It really messes it up a bit. Like, puts a heavy amount on when I don't want it to. So there it is, all finished. And can you believe it? It doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. That blue light goes on, but, oh, hold it here. It is connected to something. 1 second. Okay, that was weird. I turned this controller on, and it turned on the wife's PS5. This has never been connected to the wife's PS5. And this thumbstick, by the way, that I put in, it doesn't work still. I think I fried all the circuits on this side, and we're using too much heat for the but I don't know what happened here, but it connected to the wife's PS5. So that's weird. Well, she's playing a game on her Xbox, and it all came on. So kind of strange. All I know is this one is kind of just a parts controller now, since I think I did burn out all the circuitry on this side. The thumb stick I replaced. Yeah. And one of these directionals over here does not work. I even put new buttons in for here. But this thing is usually probably just a parts one now, and I don't dare try to do any more work on these because I found I'm not that good at it. I'll leave it to the professionals. Thanks for watching.